Paul, why should an investor put money into Power Metal Resources?
Well, if they do that, they'll be following the management because we are the largest shareholders in the business. 2 years ago, we took over a company that was struggling financially with 3 projects in Western Central Africa. We now have 9 project interests around the world. We are a global business. I think we're at the start of the growth. I could be wrong, but I think we've got a long way to go. So investors are placing their faith in us, but they've got a bit of history now with 2 years, and they can see what we've done so far in this business. I think we're a reasonably good bet.
Okay, so all companies have their favorite projects, Paul. What's yours?
All 9. I know I always say that, but I look at the work that's been done, exploration and corporately. You can see the results coming out because we tell people about it all the time. We don't hang fire. You can see that major programs such as Malopo are starting to deliver nickel sulfides, significant nickel intersections. And you can see drill programs, exploration work, corporate work happening all over. I'd never, ever want in our business any project to take favorite positioning until it becomes so of itself. So when we start to get the real, exploration data piling out, the real corporate information piling out about spin-outs, people will start to see where the favorites are. And we'll be pushing them as hard and fast as we can.
Okay. So what triggers should investors watch out for in 2021 that will really change the valuation of the company?
Yeah, again, that's all over. If we look at the exploration work we're doing, you can see these big drill programs happening in Botswana, and you can see it in Tanzania. With exploration, you always get that possibility of major news announcements. We've already had some, in fairness, and I hope we're going to have a lot more. Some of the corporate events that we're involved with are very significant. And of course, the notable Australia Gold joint venture with the Canadian capital market focus is something many people have picked up on already. I can promise you regular news. I can't say exactly which is going to inspire the market. And I know we've been through a couple of months of a bit of lull in the marketplace. But I can promise that news flow, and I can promise that this business will do everything it can to inspire the investor base out there in the rest of 2021, starting immediately.